Did you know that German and English are actually sister languages? Both languages belong to the family of Germanic languages, which means they have a lot in common. On the one hand, that can be very helpful because you can easily guess the meaning of many words. On the other hand, you gotta be careful because there are many words that maybe look similar, but actually have entirely different meanings, so-called false friends. Let's look at some examples. Missed. Nope, that person fumbling for their train ticket when the conductor shows up is not mumbling about the weather. Mist is German for that all-purpose English word, crap. Of course, if you would like to be polite and talk about the weather, you would be referring to Nebel. Gift. I'm sure you have good intentions, but you should certainly avoid buying your friend a gift for her birthday. Gift in German actually means poison or toxin. The 100% non-toxic word for present in German is Geschenk. These were just a few false friends, but there are so many more. Go take some of our Lingoda classes to learn about these in depth.